Hello and welcome to Times Foodie. Today I'll be sharing a all-time favorite recipe of chicken popcorn but in a healthier version. We call it healthy because it's not deep fried but air fried. Let's begin by marinating the chicken. Here I have taken bite-sized chicken pieces. These are boneless. Add it to the bowl. Let's add the spices, some garlic powder, paprika, pepper powder and some salt. Give it a mix. Moving on, let's add an egg. Let's mix the egg. As you can see, the egg has mixed well. Now we'll add the dry ingredients. Corn flour and some maida. Let's give this a final mix and coat the pieces with the maida and corn flour. As you can see, the chicken pieces are coated well. We'll set this aside for half an hour for marination. While the chicken is marinating, let's prepare the crispy crust. I've taken a zip pouch. I'm going to add some nachos to it. We'll seal the zip pouch. We'll flatten it on the board, and now I'm going to use the meat hammer. This is nicely done. This is the texture we are looking for. Place the marinated chicken piece on the bed of crushed nachos and gently coat it like this. Done. We'll set it aside. Similarly, let's coat the rest of the pieces. Let's grease the air fryer basket. Now we'll place the nacho crusted chicken pieces inside. Let's brush it with some oil, just a little bit. This is done. So now it's time to air fry them at 200 degrees for around 15 minutes.